Are you looking for a restaurant quality dish tonight? Look no further than this 椒絲腐乳炒通菜, also known as water spinach with preserved bean curd. This is so good, your family won't believe you made it yourself. Let's get started. I'm so excited to make this dish because 2 days ago I went to the supermarket and I saw the Tong Choi and it was so fresh. Take a look! Oh. After buying water spinach, it's best to wrap it in newspapers or something similar so that the moisture from the refrigerator won't make it spoil as quickly. Luckily for me, it's not that bad right now. Let's just chop off the ends. Now use your hands to break it apart into smaller pieces. Wash thoroughly and soak in water for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, strain to dry. Remember, the drier, the better. Now let's mince the garlic. Cut the ginger. And cut the red peppers. Now the red peppers are optional, but it gives the dish a little bit more color, which is nice. Now we can prepare the sauce. This is the brand I'll be using today for the bean curd. Now every brand is different in terms of saltiness, so make sure you don't add too much. For this recipe, I'm using 3 cubes, but start with 2 cubes if you aren't sure. Add some sugar and oyster sauce. Mix well. In a wok on medium heat, add oil and stir fry the ginger. Add the red peppers. Add the garlic. And add the paste. Stir fry until aromatic, then add the water spinach. Keep on stir frying on high heat now, making sure you move everything in the wok so the bottom won't stick. Add a splash of cooking wine. Now when it looks like this, we can add some sesame oil. Now we can add the slurry. For this slurry, I used about 1 tablespoon of water and 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. Make sure to move the vegetables right away after adding the slurry. You want a thicker sauce for these vegetables since they have a lot of water. Sometimes at restaurants, they'll even put it over a sieve at the end to let all the water drip. Remember, use a camera to record a video of you making it, otherwise no one's gonna believe you.
叮叮廚房好味啊!
If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.